This Timonium homeowner just made the boldest design choice in luxury kitchen renovations, and the result is absolutely stunning. The color choice that commands attention. This isn't just any kitchen renovation. This is a masterclass in sophisticated color theory. The custom teal-green cabinetry creates an immediate sense of calm and luxury that white kitchens simply can't match. According to 2024 design trends, nature-inspired colors like deep teal are replacing the sterile, white kitchen era because they bring the outdoors in while maintaining that high-end appeal. Golden fixtures, the luxury detail that elevates everything. These aren't just golden fixtures, they're the sophisticated accent that transforms teal from bold to breathtaking. The warm gold creates the perfect contrast against the cool teal, following classic complementary color theory that high-end designers use. From the cabinet hardware to the faucet details, every golden element works together to create visual harmony. Stylish hanging task lights, where function meets art. Most people think task lighting is just about brightness, but these hanging fixtures are actually sculptural elements that define the space. Perfect lighting for food prep. This is the kind of detail that separates custom kitchens from cookie-cutter renovations. While most kitchens focus solely on cooking, this dedicated drink bar section creates an entirely separate entertainment zone. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating spaces that support how you actually live and entertain. This is the feature that makes guests stop and take notice. A luxury detail in this kitchen is the pot filler above the stove, eliminating the need to carry heavy, water-filled cookware across the kitchen. As an additional perk, along with the main sink, we've added a secondary prep sink for rinsing produce or washing up during meal prep, making the kitchen functional for multiple users. A modern touch-activated tap has been built into this countertop sink. With just a light tap, water flows automatically. Perfect for rinsing or filling quickly, while keeping hands free and clean. If you're seeing this transformation and thinking, I want this level of design confidence in my own home, VKB Kitchen and Bath Stress-Free Remodel System is exactly how this homeowner achieved these results without the typical renovation chaos. Check the link in the description to see how we can transform your space.